Hello friends, my name is Manish Jaiswal, and in last video we learned about MySQL date and time function. And in this video, we are starting the MySQL from how to start or how to work on MySQL. So if you are totally new, then you can learn how to use MySQL from day one. So if any software like Microsoft Word, Excel, we create the file. If you want to work, if you want to type a letter in Microsoft Word, then we create a file. In Excel we create a Excel spreadsheet. Same way, if you want to start the work in MySQL, then I show how to work on MySQL. This is MySQL command line client. I am already start installed the MySQL. When I double click on this MySQL, then first it asks the password. This password is the password which you installed, which you given at the time of installation. I have given my password, and after type shows the MySQL prompt. This is called MySQL prompt, and we can start our work here. The first step in MySQL to start the work is create a database. Because it is a database management software, it is a RDBMS. First, give the name of your database. We can say that the database is a collection of tables. And what is the meaning of table? Table is the combination of row and columns. Like MS Office, we uh, create the file docx for any application. For example, to type the letter biodata. In same way, to store the data in MySQL, we create the table. But before creating table, first step is to create the database. So how to create database? We are going to learn here. First, we create database. Create database and the name of database. For example, I give the database name CBSE. It is giving an error. Can't create database CBSE because database is already exist. So we can change the name of database. For example, school one, because I have already database name is school. So I have given the name school one is the name of database. Query OK. That means our database is created. Next step is to open the database. To open the database, we have to use the command use and the name of database school one. Then database change. That means database is open for creating the table. If we want to list the database already exists in our MySQL, so we use show databases command. It display the all databases content. This CBSE MySQL, School One, all are the databases that we created. If I want to use another database, for example, school, then I will give the command use database change. If I want to see the list of tables, then I write show tables. Then it is displaying the list of tables that I already created. This time we are working in school database that we that I already created school. If we write use school one, now we are working in school one database. And if I write the command show tables, then empty set. That means the database school one is just created, but it does not contain any table, and that's why it is giving the message empty set. Now we are using school uh, database school that contain the list of tables show tables is displaying the list of tables. I want to see what is the structure of table emp, then I will give the command describe emp, and it is displaying the table structure. Table structure mean the field name data type, because it is the step when we decide to create a table emp, then what should be the field name and what is should be the data type. It is the first stage before creating the table. We have to decide the field name and their data type. In this case, in this table emp, the table name is emp. We have some field, for example, emp number, and the data type of this field is integer. Integer is the data type, and 3 is the length. That means we can store the integer type of information in this field, and the maximum length is 3. That means we can type maximum 3 digits, 3 digits in it. Next is ename. Ename is our next field, and the data type is varchar. Varchar data type is used in MySQL to store the character type of information, and the length is 20. That means we can type maximum 20 character in this name. Next is basic. Basic is the name of next column. Data type is integer, and the length is 7. DPT. DPT is the name of next column. Varchar is the data type, and 20 is the length. So in this video we'll seen about the table and the structure. In next video we will learn how to create the table.